1, 2, 3, Mazal Tov!
Hi, my dear friend. Congratulations, Mazal Tov, big Mazal Tov, for your 70 years birthday. We're so happy to have you. You're an amazing friend, and for 35 years in the industry, you are the most experienced person in the industry. We're so happy you're with us. We're so happy to have you in this industry, and please be with us for another 70 years. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Good evening, Haim. It's been 25 years almost since we first met, and I enjoyed every second of it. I can't think of anyone else that I worked in so many different companies. Always enjoyed your professional approach and your kindness and optimism and everything about you. So Mazel Tov for another 70 years of great joy.
Haim Levi, I've known you for a very long time. A very, very big happy 70th birthday to you. I wish you the best tonight, tomorrow, and the rest of the week. So happy birthday, Haim.
Hey Chaim, happy birthday. It's a pleasure to work with someone like you. I know you, and wish you the happiest you will have.
Chaim, happy birthday, and have a good health and continue to generate leads and leads and leads in our industry. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Haim. All the best for you.
How long we know Haim? I think 20 years.
I think first time he has
Like a huge hair and
yes,
curly hair, right?
afro like that. It was probably
20 years.
No, not 20.
Year 2000. So we almost 20, 19 years. He's the cutest guy I know.
And he looks exactly the same.
Yes, without the hair.
Without the hair.
Without the hair. So Chaim, I want to say you Mazal Tov. We really love you. Mazal Tov till 120. Bye.
אהלן חיים, רצינו לאחל לך בשמי, לאחר היכרות של הרבה שנים, מזל טוב ליום הולדת 70, וכמובן בשם פלקס העולמית והגדולה שאוהבת אותך, אחרי 35 שנה תרומה לתעשייה שמאוד מוערכת ומכובדת. אנחנו מאחלים לך רק דברים טובים, נהנה, בריאות טובה, תמשיך לעשות, תמשיך ליצור, תמשיך לדחוף ותעזור לנו לפתח את התעשייה, במיוחד בתחום של אדיטיב מניפקצ'רינג, כמה שיותר. אוהבים אותך מאוד, פלקס ואילן.
חיים, מזל טוב ליום הולדת 20 פלוס 50, שיהיה לך בריאות עד 120, אוהבים אותך חבר'ה מפלקס, תודה רבה.
Haim, Mazal Tov. I love working with you. It's so great to have you on the team. You're so well educated and know everything and so calm and nice to work with. It's a pleasure. Thank you very, very much. Happy 70.
My dear friend Chaim, I'm wishing you Mazal Tov and happy 70th anniversary and birthday and 35 years in the industry. One of the biggest performers and one of the biggest salesmen I ever met in my life, and I'm wishing you all the best.
Happy birthday, Haim. Thank you for being an absolute gentleman to work with. Mwah.
Chaim, happy birthday from Amos, from
Good morning, Haim. Luke here, XJet. You remember me, but I cut my mustache. I wish you all the best and happy birthday.
Dear Chaim, happy 70 years in our planet and happy 35 anniversary in this amazing industry.
Haim, you are a leader. You are showing me the way.
Hi, my dear friend. I love you, I appreciate you, and I want to live with you forever. But for the moment, have a great birthday and keep on live and kicking like always.
Happy birthday, Haim! We love you!
Happy birthday to you, Haim. We are so happy to have you here and are able to celebrate your 70th birthday with you. Thank you very much for being with us.
Haim, happy birthday for your 70th birthday and congratulations for 35 years in the industry. טוב, תגידי איך זה יצא. נראה לי זה צבא.
Hi, Mazel Tov for your 70-year birthday. It is always good to be with you, to work with you, to see your smile. Have a good luck
and have a happy days.
Dear Haim, many best wishes for your 70 years old birthday. Wishing you only health and happiness. Continue to be the way you are, a real professional guy. Happy birthday.
Haim, Mazal Tov, happy birthday. We love you. Congratulations for being 35 years in the industry. Keep on.
Haim, congratulations for your 70 years birthday, for the 35 years in our industry, and for being a mentor for most of our, if not all, of our XJet team.